What I wish I knew about quick family dinners. You know, those evenings when everyone is rushing home from work, school, or extracurricular activities, and the last thing you want to do is spend hours in the kitchen. We've all been there, right? The key is to have a few go-to recipes that are not only quick and easy, but also delicious and nutritious, and that's exactly what we're diving into today. This sausage pasta bake is a game changer. It's one of those dishes that you can whip up in no time, yet it feels like a comforting, home-cooked meal that took hours to prepare. The best part, it's packed with flavor and nutrients, making it a win-win for everyone at the table. Today's recipe is a sausage pasta bake with lots of veggies, a tasty and family-friendly dish. We're talking about a meal that brings everyone together, from the little ones to the adults. It's colorful, it's hearty, and it's incredibly satisfying. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in some extra vegetables for those picky eaters in your family. Step 1. Cook your pasta until it's just al dente, then give it a good drain. Al dente means the pasta should be firm to the bite, not too soft. This is important because the pasta will continue to cook in the oven later, and you don't want it to become mushy. Once drained, set it aside while you prepare the rest of the ingredients. Step 2. Brown those juicy sausage pieces, then toss in some diced tomatoes, garlic, and your favorite veggies. Think bell peppers and zucchini. The key here is to get a nice caramelization on the sausage, which adds a depth of flavor to the dish. As the sausage browns, the fat renders out, creating a delicious base for the vegetables. Add the garlic and tomatoes and let them cook down until they form a rich, savory sauce. Step 3. Mix it all together with your cooked pasta. Sprinkle a generous amount of cheese on top and pop it in the oven until it's bubbly and golden. This is where the magic happens. The cheese melts and forms a beautiful golden crust on top, while the pasta and sausage soak up all those wonderful flavors. Bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius for about 20-25 minutes, or until the top is nicely browned and the edges are bubbling. Finally, garnish with a touch of fresh basil. The basil adds a fresh, aromatic note that really elevates the dish. Just tear a few leaves and scatter them over the top before serving. It's a simple step, but it makes a big difference in both flavor and presentation. And there you have it, a perfect hearty meal for the whole family. This dish is not only delicious, but also incredibly versatile. You can customize it with whatever vegetables you have on hand, or even switch up the type of sausage you use. It's a great way to use up leftovers and get creative in the kitchen. Plus, it's a one-dish meal, which means less cleanup. Always a bonus on busy weeknights. Happy British Sausage Week, everyone. Let's get cooking. This week is all about celebrating the humble sausage and all the delicious ways you can incorporate it into your meals. From breakfast to dinner, sausages are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. So gather your family, roll up your sleeves, and enjoy some quality time together in the kitchen. Cooking is not just about making food, it's about creating memories and traditions that will last a lifetime. Cheers to good food and great company. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a recipe. We're excited to announce that when we reach 500 subscribers, we'll be hosting a live event where one lucky subscriber will win a special prize as a token of our appreciation. Stay tuned and happy cooking.